What's up, guys? I'm just walking around Budapest, Hungary. It's my third night tonight. Let me focus on my face. Oh yeah. Yeah, so it's my third night. Yesterday was kind of pretty tiring because I woke up today like 2 p.m., 2:30. So I slept like 12 hours. And when I woke up this morning, I was like, holy shit, I did it. I wasted like a half a day today, and it's already, right now I'm walking around downtown area, 9 p.m. I'm gonna go walk to Riverside, where you can see Budapest Parliament, Buddha something. And I'm gonna shoot videos using this GIMBAL crane, gimbal stabilizer. But yeah, I haven't done any photography and videography in Budapest, even if I've been here for 2 days. So I'm gonna do that tonight, Thursday night. There's nothing much happening at night, so yeah. Let's start it. I don't know why, but in Budapest it's like a food market. All these stores have too much meat, sausages. Like all the stores right next to each other. I don't know if like Hungarians are big meat eater or just something else. Let's see here, and then right across the hallway there's another butcher shop. Meat, and then another one right next to each other. So meat, and then sausage, and another one right there, meat, hams, veggies. But yeah, I don't know if especially Hungarians love eating meat, but I noticed many people buy cheese, dairy as well. I guess because it's cold in the winter time, they eat those high fat, high calorie food like meat, cheese, and dairy, I guess. I see again another one, meat. I don't know. I guess this is a paradise for big meat eater. It's pretty cheap here. See, all these like processed meat here that you can store this for a long time in the winter time. See all these, like this, and these. Oh god. How much meat do they need? See, right next to each other again. Crazy amount of food, like sausage. And this is not Germany. So yeah, that's a little rundown of this big food court here. Croatia and Hungary border. Getting out of Croatia and going to Hungary now. I'm gonna go from here to city center all the way here, and this is a gigantic train station. So I'm here now, and I'm gonna walk here, take 49. Just got to AirBnB apartment in Budapest. I love the design, style, super nice. Compact kitchen there, dining, and the bathroom shower is here. I'll show you guys here. Seating, and I'm gonna show you the bedroom upstairs. It's pretty spacious upstairs. Right here, nice drawing, and nice bed. I think it's twin bed. Basilica is Budapest. Boom. It's huge. just shoot this street food area. Can't even talk because my mouth doesn't work. Moved town area in Budapest to a suburb to get my Mavic Pro drone fixed. The university student again in Budapest. Basilica. It looks like from outside. This is the building for the big food market inside that you just saw. That's the entrance. This is the outer appearance. It looks like some kind of like a church or museum. I think this is like overkill for a food court for sure. But this is Europe, European style. Hungary, Budapest. Right? Crossing the street. Yeah, like this again. That is a university over there, and then this is a food court, a food market here. Calvintar station or Calvin Square. Seems like a main train station. Bunch of traffic going on. Holy shit, this food looks so good. Especially that one. It's a Budapest nighttime view. The bridge and the parliament over there.
Fortnite, CSGO, and other stuff.
You're sorry, computer nerds. Hey,
I've been saying my
Hey.
mustache.
hey, hey, everybody.
I did not say everybody. roads intersect, on each one I reflect. These lines write my story, these places change me.